Welcome to SCRCPY. In this video, I will show you how to control Android phone from PC. To do that, you can use this software, SCRCPY. It's a free and lightweight software. It's very fast, without any lag. It can control Android phone from PC using USB or Wi-Fi. No installation on phone is needed. The software is open source. So to use it, first download SCRCPY on PC. Click download button to download it. If you use other operating systems, then you can use terminal commands for Linux and Mac OS to get the SCRCPY. But for Windows, you can download it from here, 64-bit version. So after you download it, extract the zip file. This is the SCRCPY exe that you have to run. But before you use it, you have to enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your phone. To do that, go to settings, scroll down. You see developer options are enabled for my phone. And then USB debugging is on. Turn this on. But to enable developer options, you'll have to go to About Phone, Software Information, and then you have to tap 7 times on Build Number. Then developer options will be enabled for your phone. After that, enable USB debugging. When USB debugging will be enabled, you will be able to use USB tethering. When you connect your cable from PC or laptop to the phone, then use USB tethering. So you have downloaded the software, you have extracted it, and you have connected the phone with the PC, and USB tethering is turned on. Then all you have to do is to run SCRCPY, and then you can control your Android phone from PC. This software is just amazing, and it is free, open source software. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.